Hello everyone. Temperatures continue to soar across South Africa for today, and in addition to the high temperatures, it's also going to be humid for many areas along the southern and east coasts of the country. This afternoon will bring partly cloudy skies through the central parts, as well as a few thunderstorms initially developing over the northern and eastern Cape and then spreading across into the central parts of the country, and in particular around the Drakensberg. There's a high probability for showers and thunderstorms for today, and that's shown on our rainfall probability map. Some of those thunderstorms likely to spread towards parts of the eastern coastline later on. Durban, you're just within the area as well. Limpopo and Gauteng going to be dry for the remainder of the day, and down in the southwestern parts there could be light rain at first for the Overberg of the Western Cape. 2 alerts have been issued for today by the South African Weather Service. The first is once again a high fire danger warning in place for the western interior of the country, and there is also a watch this time for a possibility of severe thunderstorms around the Drakensberg and the foothills, as well as towards the Midlands area of KwaZulu-Natal. So some of those thunderstorms could cause very strong winds and perhaps even large hail. Let's move ahead to your detailed forecast, and it's going to be a mostly dry and very hot day for the northern interior of the country, although for Vryburg there could be a few thunder showers, as well as the rest of the southern parts of the northwest. Crossing over into the Free State, thunder showers in your region, 35 for Bloemfontein and Welkom. Similar temperatures for parts of KZN and the Eastern Cape. Gusty weather developing for Durban and Richards Bay this afternoon. It's going to be a hot day for the area, and we also have freshening winds around Port Elizabeth. Over the southern interior, most places will be dry, but there could be a few thunder showers over the Karoo, including Beaufort West, Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East. And along the south coast, we'll see thicker cloud for some places, perhaps even a few drops at first around Mossel Bay. Swells have dropped off to a height of only 2 meters for now. Taking a look at the Northern Cape, where we see hot weather in the forecast, dry for Springbok, Calvinia and Sutherland, but elsewhere there could be a few thunder showers. And finally, for the west coast of the country, there's no rain in the forecast for today. Winds picking up for Cape Town to 30 kilometers per hour, and swells have also eased off by about half a meter. Let's move ahead to tomorrow, when we really expect thunder showers to continue once again over parts of central South Africa, and it's going to be hot, hot, hot for the rest once again. That's all from the Weather Centre. To the rest of your Wednesday.